Alright, hey guys, we are back with a little video about making a terrarium out of this sweet teardrop here. I got all the supplies except for I need scissors. So let's cut a piece of mesh here to start. We will have rocks at the bottom and a piece of mesh on top of the rocks. Let's get our rocks. So if you can see there's some small to medium sized rocks. And I have some rocks right there that I got from our property. Maybe there's some stuff that's going to grow out of the bottom of this thing because of this rocks that I got from the property. You want the rocks just to be big enough to where the water can soak down there and sit without it being over soaked, if that makes any sense. Let's see if that will. That should do it. Perfect. The Alice in Wonderland themed. I got the bonsai soil, and I have the moss, and the certain glue if I want to use glue to glue the rocks, like I glued these stairs. And then I got some worm castings. I like to use worm castings in this because it works pretty good. So bonsai and worm castings kind of mixed together. Alright, so I have a little bowl with a little bit of water, and let's give it a shot here. So as you can see, these will be a little bit thicker. There we go. Just a thick, like this. So you can see there where it's wet but sticky and muddy, really thick, like a thick mud. And now I can really stick to the side walls of this, but not too thick that it's going to be running all over the place. So. Whoops. I want this to be a little same stickiness, but sticky enough to where it sticks to the side of the walls of the glass. Muddy stuff, though, that's for sure. Making a little hole in the back because that's the pathway up for Alice in Wonderland's. This is the hard part. Now, easy part is having fun and making it when you want to, like putting all the moss in there, the rocks, stones, the steps, the figurines, whatever you like. All right, now let's get out all the pieces. I got some little sprouts and little clovers in there. See if I can get those embedded in there. That's so damn cool. Jeez. You can have little, this came in a little bonsai, or not a bonsai, a terrarium kit that I have, or that I bought on like Amazon. Just little tweezers to, you know, put stuff in there and embed those. Use the tweezers for this. Nope, the back. And these will, so far my other one, my other terrarium, the moss has embedded itself kind of in the, well it grew in, of course it has roots and it rooted itself, but it's been growing. There's huge sprouts in there. It's pretty awesome actually. Too big. Take a little bit of this mud and put it on top of that little platform for her. We can take some more moss and here in the front. Maybe do a little rock spire in the back here. Something bigger. Okay, this. No, that's too much. That's a difficult spot right there. Finagle it up against that big rock in the back there. Map the moss a little bit. This will all look real nicely cleaned up after it starts to grow in. Put its roots down. These sprouts hopefully will start sprouting and things will grow in the back, up the back a little bit. That'll take a few months. I might actually take this little piece of moss right here in the front. This is a piece of art, so take your time. Don't go too fast. I like these little white ones, like white quartz or whatever, with this kind of. There's a spot in the back here. I kind of want to put a few rocks. Actually, I want to put a. There we go, that's a perfect little rock there. Perfect little rock spire, and then a little bit of extra mud to keep it in place. Put a tiny little rock back there to fill in that little spot. A couple tiny rocks there. One more little rock spider. Put this right. a little toadstool in here. A little mushroom. It's kind of up here in the front, looks like. Maybe I can move one of these little rocks. Maybe I can put it back by the hole here. Right back, maybe right in there. Just pat down a tiny little hole for that. Those little spots I can maybe spray something. What you can do is put a tiny little piece of cloth, a wet cloth or wet paper towel, a chunk of a paper towel, and just rub that off. Get it a little wet somehow. Disturb the, knock anything over or disturb the, Now let's go find a place to put it up.